Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. It's been a while since last, some vacation came in between, but anyway, we're back now, and this time we have Zinoleesky with a song called Personal. Alright, so we'll start with no capo at all, don't need that, and we have this 4-chord progression that goes on. So we'll start with the chords first. We have this D minor. That's the first chord, and that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord is A, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have a sharp sus chord here, so that is a bar here on the first fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings, and the rest will be third on D and third on G. And the final chord, G. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. So D minor, A sharp, and G. Alright, so we'll look at the strumming pattern that works for this song here through the entire song. So it's pretty long. One round is down, down, up, clap, down, clap, down. So with D minor, it sounds like this. So we go with the first part here. Down, down, up, clap, down. Again. Down, down, up, clap, down. And the second half will be up, down, clap, down. Up, down, clap, down. So if we combine these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, clap, down. With the chord progression, you will play one strumming round per chord, and that will sound like this. Yeah, and that's what you're gonna do through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys. Personal. And until next guy, play tuned.